Soldiers by the Neapolitan poet Libero Bovio, written in 1910. The lieutenant caught me out with the guitar in my hands, my eyes brimming with tears. Next in Neapolitan he said, "You aren't here as a tenor, you're here to be a soldier." So I go, "That's all right, sir. Put me in jail. I'm thinking about my country that's so far away. I'm Neapolitan, and if I don't sing, I die." The lieutenant drew a big sigh. Naples is beautiful. Naples is really beautiful. You know, my Neapolitan friend, I'm in love too. Go on and sing your little song, real quiet though. And I said, "Come on, sir. Sing along, it'll be fine. I'm thinking about my country that's so far away. I'm Neapolitan, and if I don't sing, I die." I'm Neapolitan, and if a golden moon enters, shedding its light in the gleaming dorm. Through the night, all of my comrades cry along with me, yet in one voice we sing. And so I go, "Sir, it's no big deal. Let them put us in jail. You see, our country is so far away. If you are Neapolitan, you either sing, dream, or die." If you are a Neapolitan, you either sing, dream, or die.